Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a column design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete circular column with 18 inches diameter using working stress method that carries a biaxial bending load of 350 kips and has a minimum eccentric distance away from the center of the column section in both directions. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 5000 psi, vertical bars 1 inch diameter, grade 60, spiral tie bars 3/8 inch diameter, grade 60, steel ratio 4%. The column carries an axial load of 350 kips. Assume a self-weight of 2.78 kips for a total load of 352.78 kips. Enumerate input parameters required. Column name C7, circular shaped spiral column, floor designation, footing to second, diameter of column 18 inches, unsupported height 10 feet 6 inches, vertical bars 1 inch diameter at grade 60, spiral tie bar 3/8 inch diameter at grade 60, strength of concrete 5000 psi, steel ratio 4%, biaxial bending with minimum eccentricities, and total load of 352.78 kips. Given Fc prime equals 5000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, Fy equals 60,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows: N equals 7.195, M equals 14.12. The reduction factor is 0.846 and the nominal load is 417 kips. The gross area of column is 188.69 square inches for a diameter of 15.5 inches. Use 18 inches diameter provided. Given AG equals 254.47 square inches and 4% steel ratio, the area of steel is 10.18 square inches. The number of bars for 1 inch diameter is 13. For 3/8 inch diameter spiral ties, the pitch is 1 3/4 inches. The minimum eccentricities for both x and y axis is 0.9 inch. The balance eccentricity is 5.83 inches, greater than 0.9 inch. Therefore, the section is compression controlled. Bending moment at both x and y axis is 375.3 inch kips, and moment of inertia is 8,288.11. The actual axial stress is 1.64, and the actual bending stress for both x and y axis is 0.41. The allowable axial stress is 2.67, and allowable bending stress is 2.25. The combined shear and moment stress is 0.979, which passes the adequacy test. Design results in metric are as follows: Fc prime equals 5000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, column size is 450 mm by 3200 mm, vertical bars of grade 60, 13 pieces 25 mm bar, spiral tie 10 mm bar at grade 60, pitch at 44 mm on center. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.